Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's video pop-up block in WordPress. This is a video series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. In order to get started, let's create for ourselves a brand new blank page, and to do that, there's a couple ways. If you're logged in anywhere on your website, you'll have this top toolbar, hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, hover over onto your left-hand sidebar, down to Pages and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page to work on this block individually. Alright, just a few housekeeping things before we continue. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of the parameters and configurations and settings or whatever are going to appear for our block. Next, let's give our page a title to keep things organized. Okay, and last but not least, let's add the block itself. There's a blue button on the top left corner. Click on that. It's called a block inserter. We can either scroll down, or search for the block. But it's a good thing that Stackable is on top of list, and we don't have to go too far for that. So we have video pop-up. Let's drag and drop that into our workspace, and let's close the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. And here we go. Display a large thumbnail that your users can click and play a video full screen. Great for introductory or tutorial videos. So first, with layout, we have our paddings and margins here. So there isn't much to do with that. And next, we have our options for the video. We can either upload a video and leave it in our media library, or we can just use a URL. So this is a URL to one of our older videos, and we can add a background to this, just like to put a border on it, right? And we can put our border in our shadows. We can put a border radius in this. And there is our video pop-up. Okay, before we continue, we have our general settings here, our hard position settings here, our custom attributes, our responsive settings on desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and our advanced settings such as HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Now, we have our video link here, and that's fine, and our users can click on this, and it's great. We have an icon. If we wanted to change it, we can do that. We can change it to this if we wanted to. We can make the icon color red or blue or green and make it bigger. Okay, perfect. And then next we have our image, and this image we can select to be anything, but we have the video thumbnail over here. Okay, great. And we can make this a bit smaller. Okay, it's going to be 16 by 9 by default, but we can decrease the size by pixels to make it fit into our website a bit better. So there is our video pop-up. We can put this anywhere on our website because it is a block. Let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at the functionality on our live site. All right, once we're done, let's go ahead and click on View Page. And here is our Stackable video pop-up block. Let's click on the play button and see what happens. Okay, perfect. It loads up our video for our within our website in a pop-up area, in a lightbox. So there's Stackable video pop-up block. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.